Hello friends, hello. My name is Sparky. I am your guide today. Today, we will learn about mobile phones. A mobile phone is also called a smartphone. It is a small, very smart computer. You can hold it in your hand. Say it slowly. Smart. Phone, are you ready? Let us begin. Part 1. What is a mobile phone? A mobile phone is a phone, but it is not like old phones. Old phones stayed in one place. Mobile phones can go everywhere with you. Mobile means you can move. You can take it to school, you can take it to the park, you can take it to grandma's house. Mobile phone. A small phone you carry everywhere. Computer. A big machine that does many things. Smart. Very, very clever. A new mobile phone is called a smartphone. It is smart because it can do many things. It can take photos, it can play music, it can show videos, it can help you learn new words. Wow! One small phone can do so many things. Part 2. Parts of a phone. The screen. The screen is the big flat part in the front. It lights up and shows pictures. You can touch the screen. When you touch it, it works. This is called a touch screen. Screen. The part you look at and touch. The new phones have a camera. A camera takes photos. A photo is a picture. New phones have 2 cameras. One in the front, one in the back. The back camera takes pictures of things around you. The front camera takes pictures of your face. This is called a selfie. Camera, chance, takes photos and videos. Selfie, a photo of yourself. The battery of phone needs energy to work. The battery gives energy to the phone. Think of the battery like food for the phone. When the battery is empty, the phone stops working. We have to charge the battery. Charging means giving the phone more energy. Battery, choice gives power to the phone. Charger, fills the battery with power. Tip, always charge your phone before it is empty. Part 3. What can phones do? New phones can do so many fun things. Let us learn them one by one. Slowly. Make calls. First, phones can call people. You can talk to your mom. You can talk to your dad. You can talk to your best friend, even if they are very far away. Call. Talk to someone using your phone. Send messages. You can also send messages. A message is a small written note. You type words on the screen, then you press send. Your friend reads your words. Message. Words you send to someone. Type. Write words by pressing letters on screen. Take photos. New phones take beautiful photos. You just open the camera app. You point the phone at something. You press the big white button. Click. A photo is saved. New phones take photos with 200 million tiny dots. That is called megapixels. Watch videos. You can watch videos on new phones. The screen is big and colorful. The colors are very bright. It feels like a little TV. Play games. Phones have games too. You can play fun games. You touch the screen to play. Some games teach you math. Some games teach you letters. Games on phones are called apps. App signs a program on your phone, short for application. Part 4. Popular phones in the USA and the United States. Many kids and families use smartphones. There are 2 very popular brands. Apple iPhone. The iPhone is made by a company called Apple. Apple is from California, USA. The iPhone has a fruit logo. It is an apple with a small bite. The iPhone is very easy to use. Many families in America love iPhones. The newest iPhone is called the iPhone 16. iPhone Chuck, a famous smartphone made by Apple in the USA. Samsung Galaxy. Samsung is another very popular phone brand. Samsung makes the Galaxy phones. Galaxy means space. Samsung Galaxy phones have beautiful screens. They come in many colors. Samsung Galaxy, a popular smartphone with amazing screens. iPhone versus Samsung. Both are great. What do you like? Part 5. Staying safe on your phones are fun, but we must be safe. Here are some important rules. Listen carefully. Rule 1. Ask a grown-up. Always ask a parent or teacher before using a phone. They will help you stay safe. A grown-up is your guardian. A grown-up who takes care of you. Rule 2. Never share your name. Do not tell strangers your name on the phone. Do not tell them your address. Do not tell them your school name. This is called privacy. Privacy. Keeping your personal information safe and secret. Rule 3. Screen time limits. Too much phone time is not good for your eyes. Take a break every 30 minutes. Look out the window. Play outside. 30 minutes of screen time. Then take a 5-minute break. Rule 4. Charge safely. Always use the correct charger. Do not leave your phone charging in bed. Charge it on a table or desk. This keeps you and your phone safe. Part 6. Cool new features. New phones in 2024 and 2025 have amazing new features. Let us learn some very cool words. Face ID. New phones can recognize your face. You just look at the phone. The phone sees your face. If it is you, the phone opens. This is called Face ID. Face ID. The phone unlocks by looking at your face. AI assistant. New phones have an AI assistant. AI means artificial intelligence. It is like a very smart robot inside your phone. You can talk to it. You can ask it questions. It answers in your language. AI, artificial intelligence, a smart computer brain, 5G internet. New phones use 5G internet. 5G is very fast internet. With 5G, videos load instantly. Games work without stopping. It is like a super highway for your phone. 5G, super fast internet for your phone. 5G is 100 times faster than old 3G internet. Wow. Vocabulary review. Let us review the words we learned today. Say each word out loud. Emoji word meaning smartphone, a mobile phone that is very smart. Screen, the part you look at and touch. Camera takes photos and videos. Battery gives power to the phone. App, a program on your phone. Privacy, keeping your information safe. AI, artificial intelligence. Super smart computer. 5G, very fast internet. Selfie, a photo of your own face. Charger fills the battery with power. Quiz time. Let us test what you remember. Read each question slowly. Q. What is a mobile phone? A. A small smart computer you carry everywhere. Q. What does a camera do? A. It takes photos and videos. Q. What is a selfie? A. A photo you take of your own face. Q. What is an app? A. A program or game on your phone. Q. What does 5G mean? A. Very fast internet for your phone. Q. What is Face ID? The phone opens by looking at your face. Q. What does charge mean? A. Giving the phone more energy or power. Q. What is privacy? A. Keeping your personal information safe and secret. Great job finishing the quiz. You are amazing. Fun phone phrases in America. People say these phrases about phones. Learn them and practice. My phone died means the battery is empty. I'll text you means I will send you a message. Let's take a selfie. Let's take a photo together. No signal here. The phone cannot connect to internet. Put it on silent. Make the phone quiet. No sounds. Can I borrow your charger? Can I use your charger, please? Now you can talk like an American phone user. The end. Wow, you did it. You finished the whole lesson. Today you learned about new mobile phones. You learned about what a mobile phone is, parts of a phone, what phones can do, popular phones in the USA, how to stay safe, new and cool features. Fun phone phrases. You are a superstar learner. Keep learning every day. You are doing great. Made with for kids learning English.